Okay, guys, in this video, we are going to look at the hardest case here. That's where you actually want to know what was the price before taxes, given that the total price is a certain value and we also know the sales tax percent. So this is where we need this third formula. Let's see if we can substitute what we know. So we know the total price. So we're going to put that in the third formula. So this is the price after the tax has been applied. That would be equal to the purchase price, which is what we want to know, multiplied by 1 plus the sales tax percent. Now, to find the sales tax percent, you need to convert that to a decimal by dividing by 100. So that is the same thing as moving the decimal point 2 to the left. So this becomes 0.0725. Okay, and then let's just simplify what we have on the right-hand side in parentheses, and then we'll be ready to solve for the purchase price. So here we're going to get 1.0725. And then again, to solve for something over here, we're going to isolate it so there is nothing else there. So we're going to divide both sides by 1.0725. So divide that also over here. Okay, and that is going to allow us to find the purchase price. So let's take the total price again, and we're going to divide it by 1 plus the sales tax in decimals. And that should be rounded to 2 decimal places, which is what they're asking us to do, and that would be 33.96. Now, the last question, part B here, would be similar. So we're going to take the total price, and then we're going to divide it by 1 plus the sales tax. But don't divide it by a sales tax of 8, because that's 8%. So you had to convert it to a decimal, and that becomes 0.08 because you divide it by 100. Okay, and so it looks to me like that's 1217.59.